Education, not a privilege, a right. Friends, esteemed colleagues, and fellow advocates for a brighter future, I stand before you today to champion a cause that should be universally recognized: the right to education. This is not merely a matter of social justice, but a fundamental human right, essential for the progress of individuals and societies alike. Every child deserves the opportunity to unlock their potential, to learn, to grow, and to contribute to a better world. Why is education so vital? It is the foundation upon which we build ourselves. It equips us with the knowledge, skills, and critical thinking abilities necessary to navigate an increasingly complex world. It empowers us to become responsible citizens capable of participating in informed decision making. Economic and development countries with the high literary rates experience higher economic growth, increased productivity, and a greater innovation. Education empowers women, reduces poverty, and fosters tolerance and understanding. Denying a child access to education is not only a violation of their rights, but also a missed opportunity for the entire society. Imagine a world where every child has the chance to learn, to explore, to dream. Imagine the potential unlocked, the innovation spark, the future transformed. This is the future we must strive for. We must challenge the systematic inequalities that prevent millions from accessing education. We must advocate for an increased investment in education, particularly in marginalized communities. We must work tirelessly to ensure that every child, regardless of their background or circumstances, has the opportunity to learn, grow, and thrive. Let us not forget education is not a privilege, but a fundamental human right. It is a cornerstone for a brighter future, and we all have a responsibility to make it accessible to everyone. Thank you.